In this video, I'll show you how to fix GCash games not opening on iPhone. If the games inside the GCash app are crashing, freezing, stuck on loading, or not opening at all, these step-by-step methods will help you fix the issue and get everything working properly again. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but the connection needs to be reliable. If your internet is slow or unstable, GCash games may fail to load or may close unexpectedly. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find GCash and tap on it. Here, tap on Offload App and confirm. This removes the app while keeping your data safe and helps clear temporary files that may be causing the problem. Once the offloading process is complete, tap on Reinstall App. After reinstalling the app, go back to your home screen and open the App Store. Search for GCash, tap on it, and check if there is an update button available. If you see an update, go ahead and install it, because using an outdated version of the app can often cause games not to open or crash frequently. Once the app is fully updated, restart your iPhone. This helps reset background processes and clears minor system glitches that could be interfering with GCash games. After your phone turns back on, open the GCash app again and check if the games are now loading properly. If the issue still isn't fixed, you can try deleting the GCash app completely. Tap and hold the GCash app, select Remove App, then tap Delete App. After deleting it, open the App Store, search for GCash, and reinstall it. Your account and balance will remain safe, and you can log back in using your registered mobile number and OTP. Sometimes GCash games may also fail to open due to network restrictions or security-related blocks. Using a secure and private connection can help prevent this. To improve connection security, try NordVPN and use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.